very much, it's 7A. So you guys saw the videos, you guys saw the animations, and yeah, everything is actually kind of made in Blender, like except cropping, trimming, transition stuff. It's in editing, video editing softwares. But I was thinking like, I think this kind of things it should be done in video editing softwares, but I just don't know how. So if you guys would like to teach me, please. So I just made it in Blender, but I feel quite satisfied with it. This is actually just a simple plane, and I edited it like that to make it like pointy. And this is just a text though. I still can edit it, and I'm gonna click undo that. So, and I put two modifiers of build, add modifier and build. What it does, it's gonna add the modifiers is gonna make the object build like from invisible to visible, and you can even reverse it from visible to invisible. So yeah, I just did that, like because I don't know how to make it things like this, like in video editing software. So yeah, but I feel satisfied with it. So in this video, it's not about that. It's about surface imperfections. What is it though? Usually I put surface imperfections on my product when I'm trying to finish my model. What is it? So just try to, you guys can search on Google surface imperfections, and free, because you guys want something free to it, right? And what is it? It's something add to your 3D model a material or roughness, so your object, it looks more realism, more real, because in real life there's nothing that just look a plain perfect. There's gonna be like a little bit scratches or fingerprints, a bit in touch and stuff. Those things, it's absolutely needed if you want to make something very realistic. So I'm gonna show you guys here what I usually did when it comes making this thing, like adding some surface imperfections. So I'm gonna go with this thing, the middle part, because there's some parts here. There's the guard and this thing and the blade, but I'm gonna for this video I'm gonna show it here, and I'm gonna Control T as usual, not Wrangler fans, and color to roughness. And I'm gonna usually I put a really non-extreme surface imperfection for the base. So I'm gonna click open here, and I've already downloaded, so you guys can download anything. But for example here, I'm gonna show you, this is the thing that I consider them non-extreme, because come on, they don't look that extreme. So I'm just gonna pick whatever that one is. And you can see, I mean, looks horrible. This is, it's not horrible, it still looks cool, but it doesn't, it's not what you desire, okay? So you're gonna add color ramp. Color ramp is something that you want to control something, you add color ramp. So I'm gonna make it like, it's same color. And you can try to drag it to the left, and you guys will start to see this thing. And I forgot to, I'm just gonna go simple unwrap, which is U and smart UV project. And I have the UV editor on the left top corner here, so you guys can check that. And I think the scale, I'm gonna scale everything, click everything here, and to the scale I'm gonna make it for about like I guess 2-ish to 6-7-ish. Yeah, it's I think I like it. I mean, you guys literally can do a lot though. Like you can just try to turn off the this thing, what is it called, overlays. Yeah. Why? Because when you move this on the UV editor, you guys can see like some parts of what you want, some things. I guess I'm gonna pick this one. Yeah, and this one looks I like this one. So this image texture, I consider them like not very non-extreme, okay?
and I'm gonna mix it with texture painting. So I'm gonna copy this thing. This is what I really like, what I just learned about. So I'm gonna click X on it, and let's add mix RGB here. Wait, sorry. Mix RGB, and color to color 2, and alpha to the FAC, and click new. And okay, I'm gonna make it, just put a symbol asterisk or stars and 12. I know it sounds crazy, like 12K, what are you doing, man? And make sure, don't forget the color, the alpha, just make it 0, and click OK. So I'm gonna show you here. I have a cube here, and I'm gonna make example Control T, and I'm just gonna turn that off, and color to the roughness, and as well same thing, mix RGB, and again, and I'm gonna show you the difference if I'm only making it to be like 4K, right? 4K here, and make sure the alpha 0, and as well for this one I'm gonna make it 12, 24, asterisk 12, so it's 12K now, and I'm gonna add put the color to the color 2 and the alpha to the FAC, and don't forget add the color ramp to the first one, because you want to make like it was like the color before, right? And from here you're gonna add a color ramp as well to the bottom one, 12K. So let's see, let's go to texture painting, or you guys can go to the left top corner here, and oh wait, here object mode, texture paint, and go to the right tab here, and you guys have this untitled and untitled one. The untitled, it's just the 4K, right? So I'm gonna add the texture here, and open example. I'm gonna click the extreme imperfections, let's say pick this one. So this one is gonna be for the 4K, and if I'm gonna draw something, you guys can see it's pretty blotchy. It's like it turned out to be just dots. I don't know how to fix it, but if you guys know, just let me know in the comments below, please. So we're gonna learn together. So even I'm using image make sure, yeah, you click that image aspect. Sometimes it changes randomly. Just draw something here, and you can see it, I don't know, it just kind of like blotchy though. And look here, if I draw something on the 12K, draw something here, and like that, and put it away, and look at the difference. Look at the difference. It's insane. It's like the 4K just like dots, and but the 12K it's just quite good. It's just quite good. So that's why I'm using the 12K for this one. So I'm gonna go to texture paint again here on this product, on this knife, and I'm gonna add a texture and add new and open, and materials here, textures, and yes, you guys can pick whatever you guys want. I mean, you guys can as well use the, what is it, the non-extreme one, but this is just my preference, okay? And mapping into stencil, I prefer stencils, so because I could see like, and okay, let's do something here. First thing I usually do, I go make sure with the fall left it's pretty smooth, not very extreme, like that. And the stroke, I would like to go to line. What is it, line? Line is, I'm gonna brush to make it a bit smaller. An example here, I want to make it a, and of course you guys can right click and put like, move the image here, and I want to make a line here.
on this knife part. So I usually can just start to draw here then and drag it like that, and kind of lagging of course because it's 12K, you know, so you guys can already see. And of course, why is it so like it's pretty shiny? That's why you need a color ramp, and you can just copy this color ramp and put it in between color, okay, not the alpha, like that. And what it does, it's gonna make it more, and you can make it like more, you guys want to make it more visible, make it to the left, and if you make it to the right, it's gonna be like less visible. And if you change the color, it's gonna make it like black, and also like things like that, you know. And if you change the color on the right one, it's gonna make the scratches into very glossy. You can see that it's very glossy. So you guys have all the so much options here, what you guys want to do. And I'm gonna make it like white again, like that. I guess I like that. And also a trick here I found very cool. If you make your camera positions like this, right, and you're gonna start to draw like this, wait, I'm gonna use the space, and you can just tap and as well like just draw. And what it does, it's gonna stretch your scratches here. So wait, where is it? Oh, I guess here. Yeah, it's very stretchy, so make sure it's not like you don't want to go very extreme maybe. So let's try to draw here like that, and you can see that it's stretched. It stretch the image, the draw, the stencils. That's something that looks cool, I think. Like if you want something like stretch, because but of course, like it doesn't always work very good. Just a personal preference, but I found it I like it though. And again here, make it some scratches here. And I think I want to make it go to the right view and draw something like this, and draw here, and draw here, and draw here, and well, I want to draw here and draw here. And let's have a look. Okay, this one, yeah, there's scratches there, you guys can see it. I mean, this is just very convenient for me. I really enjoyed this one though. And I think I want to, can I add something here? Oh yeah, you can see that. So if I add more figures, I guess, yeah, it's gonna make it look like that. I wish I could draw something here on the decals, because that's just decals, right? If you go to, yeah, I mean, you guys know decals. And I guess that's what I'm just want to show you guys in this video. I'm gonna draw here and have a look, and look at that, scratches. So you can add some extra scratches at some part. It's just like additional scratches if you guys want. And this video I hope this video might be useful. And I guess at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the renders or the result, what I did here, okay? So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.